Welcome students in the class of biology. Today we will learn about sex chromosomes. Sex chromosomes which are responsible for the determination of sex, that is called as allosomes. In human beings and other mammals have X and Y type of sex chromosomes. Let us see in the diagram X and Y chromosomes. X chromosome is larger than the Y chromosome. It determines femaleness, while Y chromosome is shorter than the X chromosome and it determines the maleness. X chromosome is submetacentric as centromere is placed at the center, while Y chromosome is acrocentric as centromere is placed far away from the center. X chromosome is straight, elongated, and rod-like structure. The non-homologous part is larger in X chromosome, while Y chromosome is hook-like and non-homologous part is short than the X chromosome. X chromosome is longer and non-homologous part is also longer in the X chromosome. So genes located on the X chromosomes are large in number as compared to Y chromosome. X chromosome is present both in male and female, but Y chromosome is present only in males. Sex determination is the mechanism by which sex is established is called sex determination. The term sex refers to sexual phenotype, that is, external appearance of an organism. In some species, both male and female reproductive organs are present in the same organism. They are called bisexual or monoecious or hermaphrodite, while some species in which the organisms has either male or female reproductive organs is called dioecious or unisexual organisms. Humans are dioecious in nature. Let us see sex determination in human beings. The chromosomal mechanism of sex determination in human beings is XX and XY type. Thus, the genetic constitution of human female is 22 pairs of autosomes, means 44 autosomes plus one pair of sex chromosome, that is 44 autosomes plus XX chromosome, while the genotype of male is 44 autosomes plus XY chromosome. Hence, father is responsible for determination of sex of child, not the mother. Let us see in the chart sex determination in human beings. Father having XY chromosome, mother having XX chromosomes. These are gametes. The zygote form after fusion of gametes in the offsprings, 50% probability of a female child and 50% probability of male child. Here XY and XY, the male child, and here XX and XX, female child. Let us see sex determination in birds. The chromosomal mechanism of sex determination in birds is ZW and ZZ type. It is exactly reverse of human beings. In birds, females are heterogametic and produce two type of eggs, that is 50% eggs carries Z chromosome and 50% eggs carry W chromosome, while males are homogametic in nature. They produce one type of sperms. Each sperm carry Z chromosome. Let us see in the diagram male bird having autosomes plus Z chromosomes. So A plus Z sperms. Female bird having autosomes plus ZW, that is heterogametic female, produce A plus W and A plus Z ovum. So ZW type of sex determination in several birds having 50% chance of male and 50% chance of female. Let us see sex determination in honeybees. Chromosomal mechanism of sex determination in honeybees is haplodiploid type. Sex of individual is determined by number of set of chromosomes received. Females are diploid. 2n is equal to 32 chromosomes, while males are haploid. N is equal to 16 number of chromosomes. If the egg is fertilized by sperm, the zygote develops into diploid female, queen or worker, and unfertilized eggs develop into haploid male, that is drone, by the way of parthenogenesis, means without fertilization drone is formed. Let us see in the chart female, that is queen, having diploid cell. 2n is equal to 32 number of chromosomes. By meiosis cell division forms 2 eggs, each having haploid set of chromosome. N is equal to 16. While male drone having haploid, N is equal to 16 number of chromosomes. By mitosis, sperm is formed which having haploid set of chromosomes. So, haploid sperm with haploid eggs after fertilization forms diploid female. N is equal to 32 number of chromosomes. So, diploid female is worker or queen. While after meiosis, N is equal to 16 number of chromosomes. By the process of parthenogenesis, haploid male N is equal to 16 number of chromosome is formed, which is called as male drone. So male is haploid and female is diploid in nature in the honeybees. See in the diagram, queen, fertilized eggs, which is diploid, forms female offspring, which is worker or queen. The unfertilized haploid eggs by parthenogenesis forms male offsprings, drone. In this video, we have seen sex chromosome, sex determination in human beings, sex determination in birds and honeybees. In next video, we will see about chromosomal disorders. Thank you.